So we've been on this bus for like 6 hours.
6 hours is false. We've been on here since 7.
So 2 hours. But we're still not there, and it's really annoying.
We're 40 minutes out.
Yeah. We're going to cheer competition in Sun Prairie. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
This is Sammy. She's our back spot.
I'm on my way to my cheer competition this weekend, and we're going to Sun Prairie, and we're still 40 minutes away, and we've already been on this bus for 2 hours, and the roads are awful, and I'm probably gonna die, but that's okay. But yeah, we out here vibing, doing cool things on the bus like we always do. Yeah.
That's Jess. Hey, Jess. Yeah, it's...
My socks are blue. Go baby.
You're vlogging your foot. Hi, we just got into Sun Prairie and it's pouring and it's freezing. Here we are. We're walking in. We found Lexi.
A lot of my family.
There's a cardinal over there. This is so exciting. Everybody say hi. So we wandered around this entire school to find an empty bathroom. So here we are. We've got the entire sink to ourselves to do our makeup. Cause I have this big thing because I have to take all of my makeup everywhere all the time. And Sammy keeps doing this again. It's really scary. We have to, oh, my camera's blurry. We got our makeup done. Sammy got her contacts in. We have to go back because we have to get our hair done. And Kenzie's screaming at me.
But
it's fine. I was supposed to be back there like 15 minutes ago, but it's and we're all super sweaty and gross, but like we hit and it was great and it was great and it was great. That's all that matters. Hi. Behind the scenes, we're eating cheese puffs and waiting for awards.
we took some pictures and ate some ice cream.
Oh yeah.
And ran around like weirdos and listened to some people scream. It was kind of fun. Right,
We tried looking for friends and it didn't work.
Yeah, it's fine. Alright, well, that's it. Wait, those are up. Those are up. We're running for some reason. Where are we going, Kenzie?
We're sneaking to a part of school that we're not supposed to go to.
Yeah, okay, so we're not supposed to be on this side of the school.
Stop. It's fine. Wait, what's over there? Is that a... Wait, I want to see if I can see.
Anyways, we're not supposed to be on the side of the school because if we open it, it'll lock us out. Kenzie!
Come on.
Oh my gosh. What are you getting me into?
Okay.
Noah Richmond has chosen to recognize Rachel Limmer as his algebra.
I'm gonna be a ginger.
It's not bad, like, let me just see. They're not gone.
Little complicated.
So we're watching other teams, waiting for awards, and it's really freaking, like, boring. Waiting for awards, but, like, watching, like, all the talent other teams have is, like, super fun, and it's super cool to watch. So, yeah! Jamming to some Panic at the same time. A great time.
Megan.
first.
Okay, so we're at
First
awards.
off in our
Let's
JV
go.
division.
Stop.
All right. As we did in our first session, any teams that are in their division.
So update, we didn't place.
That's fine.
It's okay. It was fine.
Definitely didn't get last. So that's
We didn't get last, kind of, but
Shut up.
it'll be
It's
fine.
fine.
Hopefully. We still have stay
Stop.
next weekend. We're gonna do fine.
Okay, I had the palm, the lucky palm, so we definitely played, or we got something good.
Exactly. Say hi, Sammy.
Hi.
Crockett.
It's Kenzie's birthday. We're gonna take pictures soon.
That was like up her nose hole.
The mozzarella sticks.
close to me.
So it's Mac's birthday, and we're at Applebee's.
Climb under the table or something? Like,
I'm gonna go that side.
We can't get our lives together, but it's okay.
commentary and everything.
They're gonna dump it.
Yeah, we can share some more.
This is why we don't need to take pictures.
We're not. We're taking a video.
It's a vlog. This is why we don't need to take vlogs.
I need to take the picture.
Underneath the top.
Happy birthday